Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a ChatGPT Ads Manager account step by step. First, open any web browser on your device, then search for ChatGPT Ads Manager. From the search results, click on the website ads.openai.com. Once you're on the OpenAI Ads Manager homepage, click on the Sign Up button. Here you can create an account using your email and password, or you can sign in with Google, Apple ID, or Microsoft. For this tutorial, I'm going to continue with Google. After selecting Google Sign In, you'll see two options: Switch Account and Continue with this account. If you want to use a different Google account, click Switch Account. Otherwise, select Continue with this account. Now you'll see a page that says, Set up your account in a few steps. Click Continue to proceed. Next, you'll be asked to tell OpenAI about your business. Here, enter your business information. The website field is mandatory, but at this stage, verification is not required. So even if you don't have a website yet, you can enter a suitable website URL for now. After that, select your business category. I'll choose the category that matches my business, and you can select the one that best fits yours. Once you've entered the information, click Next. Now you'll need to choose your country, currency, and time zone. One important thing to remember is that at the moment, ChatGPT Ads is available in beta for only a limited number of countries, including the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. I'm selecting my preferred options and moving to the next step. Here you'll need to choose whether you're creating the account as a business or an individual. I'll select Business. Now pay close attention to the next option because it's very important. You'll be asked whether the account is for your own business or for an agency. Currently, account creation is only available for personal businesses. If you select the other option, you may not be able to complete the setup successfully. After making your selection, the system may take a few moments to process your account. As you can see, my ads account is now ready, but there are still a few important steps left to complete. If you'd like, you can click on the Tour option to explore the dashboard and learn what each section does. However, before running ads, we still need to finish the final setup. Click on Final Setup. The next step is adding your payment details. For this tutorial, I'm not going to add payment information right now, so I'll simply skip this step. After that, you'll have the option to upload your profile picture or business logo. You can either provide a Google Drive link or upload the file manually. I'll choose the manual upload option and upload my image. As you can see, the image has been uploaded successfully, and that's it. My ChatGPT Ads account is now fully set up and ready to use. The only thing left is creating and launching a campaign. In my next video, I'll show you exactly how to create and run your first ad campaign step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.